Hey, what's up guys? Brian from BS Bassin coming here. Gonna give you guys a little tip on a way to protect your cowl. You know, this is a beautiful part of your boat. This one's brand new, it's not scratched up yet, and we want to keep it that way. One way we can do that is with a Russell Marine Products cowl cover. These are really nice, they're vented so you can leave it on your boat while it's running, not just while you're trailering it. So this is going to give us extra protection on our cowl. Another thing that this actually has is the inside of it has a nice soft lining that's not going to scratch our cowl. So this is going to protect our cowl for years to come. First thing we want to do before we install our cowl cover is we want to actually use a product to clean the cowl and protect it, you know, kind of like a spray wax before we actually cover that up for a long time. What I have here is a 3M Marine Cleaner and Shine Wax. It's what I use on the outside of my boat when I pull it out of the water. It's my first glass boat that I've ever owned. I really want to keep it looking nice. Spray it down with that, and then I'm wiping it down with a nice microfiber drying towel. This will allow me to dry the entire cowl without having to use more than one microfiber. Spraying it on and then wiping it with one side, and once I have the bulk of it wiped off, I'm going to let it haze for a second, and then I'll take a clean dry part of the microfiber and wipe it down the rest. Alright guys, we got that wiped down. We have no watermarks left on it, and this looks awesome this way. But to keep it that way, we're going to have to protect it. Now I'm going to install this cover. This is for the Mercury Optimax Pro XS. It says it on the sides real nice, and then it also has Russell Marine Products logo on it. You can find them russellmarineproducts.com. And here in this section here, you can see that it's vented. That's going to let the motor breathe while it's on. It's got a buckle in the front to attach it and keep it harnessed down. So we'll loosen that up before we put this on. I'm going to slide it over the top with the buckle in front. Just toss it over. Work this down, the front and the back. This is for the 200 horsepower. I believe it fits 200 to 250 horsepower motors. Really got to squeeze this down here, guys. It's nice and tight. Notice I'm using a lot of effort to get this down. I want no big wrinkles in the top of this cover. It's coming along, but it is a little bit of work to get that on there. I believe this is going to be better than buffing my cowl every 2 or 3 months though. I feel putting this on would be about equivalent to putting skinny jeans on. I don't know how that is, but I could imagine it's something like this. You may want to ask your wives, your girlfriends. You can see those wrinkles are coming out now. It's a little bit right there. I believe some of this will come out. I have seen some of these not fitting perfect before on the water on other people's boats, but it looks like it's pretty good. My vent in the back is right over the induction opening. I am pretty happy with where this sits right now. Sorry for the shaky picture. I got the tripod in the boat, and I'm moving the boat around putting this on. It is a nice tight fit, and you want that. You don't want this to be loose and flapping around. There we go, guys. I'm going to just tie this off and we'll be good to go. So here we go again. It's a Russell Marine's Products Mercury Pro XS vented cowl cover. It's protecting our cowl. It's also vented in the back so we can run it on the water. You know, we can run our motor with the cover on, unlike some of the other ones. I believe Atwood, you cannot run it with the motor on, or with the cover on. So this is going to protect our motor while we're trailering it. It's also going to protect our motor while we're on the water. And that's what we want. We want the most protection we can. These bass boats nowadays, they're outrageous in price. It took me 3 boats to get my first glass boat. It's financed because there's no way I had that much money in my pocket. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you like what you see, leave a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe. And thanks again for watching BS Bassing.